The light's on, a good sign. I'm going to add some extension to these a little bit at the end there. Solder just gets sucked up by the wires. We get a nice connection there. You want to put the heat shrink on before you do the soldering. Oh, look at this one, it's really small. Do the same thing on the black side. All right, cool. We got a little extension there. You can go ahead and attach these ends into the power supply pins for this Arduino. That works for now. Looks pretty good, I think. If our battery friend will work here, and look, the light's on. A good sign. So the next step, connect some more wires to it for the LED